Hey everybody, what's up? It's Friday, May 22nd, a pre-holiday Friday. Of course, Monday is the Memorial Day holiday. I guess that's the unofficial start of summer. It doesn't feel like summer much here in New York City. I hope where you are, it feels a little bit more like summer. We're still in the lockdowns here in New York City. Beaches are kind of closed. Long Island beaches are open. I will be staying in the city this weekend because I think everyone's going to try to get out and it's going to be a zoo. Anyway, the weather's not going to be that great. So what's going on? It was a quiet end to the day. The market ended higher, pretty much. I think Dow was slightly down, but S&P and NASDAQ were up. We had a positive week. I am still looking for signs of those green shoots, those glimmers of hope, some evidence of an economic restart. You know, I've been looking at these tax flows. They are a leading indicator. It kind of looks like employment and withholding taxes are seeing a little tiny bit of pickup in at least since May 15th. I mean, it's not big. The year-over-year comparisons still show weakness. But, you know, I have to look at from the time when the lockdowns ended, and that was really, the start of that was really May 15th. So if I look at the data from May 15th, 16th, you know, through yesterday, there is some sign of a pickup. When I look at the banking data right now, unfortunately, consumer loans, and in particular, I'm looking at credit card and revolving credit. You know, a lot of people, that's a good barometer to gauge spending, still in contraction, although I will say that the rate of contraction slowed down a little bit. I mean, you know, like I said, I'm looking for any little thing right now to provide some evidence that we're seeing a pickup in the economy, because ultimately that's going to determine the direction of the stock market. I mean, if we don't get a pickup in the economy right now, I have to tell you that some of the short-term sentiment indicators on the stock market are flashing a little bit on the excessive bullishness side. So, I mean, as normally a contrarian trader like myself, and also looking at the fundamentals, which really aren't picking up that much, looks to me like short-term could be a down move in the market. One positive, though, I have to tell you about this. I was pretty excited. Automobile loans actually picked up in the latest week, and that was the first increase in 7 weeks. All right, so automobile loans up, and that was for the week ended April 13th. First pickup in 7 weeks, and that, of course, came I'm sorry, not April 13th, May 13th. That was a couple of days prior to when we saw the opening up of much of the country, or at least partial openings of some of the country. So it leads me to believe that in next week's data, we're going to see some better numbers. I'm hoping. So again, quiet end of the day. Market ended. Actually, we saw overnight one of my support levels in the S&P, which was 2908. We went a little bit, and yesterday I put out an email to my subscribers saying if S&P futures got down to 2908, use that as a buy level. That happened overnight. We didn't retest that during the day. Hopefully some people were able to get in, you know, when that happened, but I'm pretty sure we'll see that level again, if not a little bit lower. The longer term picture, as long as we see the economy start to rebound now, and that's the key. That's really the key. That we start to see a pickup in economic activity, sentiment-wise, at least in the longer picture, I would say 6 months and more out, it's still very negative and bearish. In the short term, like right now, as to where the market has the level we've attained, that's a little bit on the excess bullishness, if you could follow what I'm saying. So short term, I'm thinking a little bit of a pullback. Longer term, things look pretty good, but we got to see the economy start to show some evidence of a pickup. And again, I'm on top of this every single day. I'm looking, as soon as these numbers come out at 4 o'clock, I put it all together, I send it out to my people, and we have a strategy going forward. Anyway, I hope if you're going to celebrate the Memorial Day holiday, be safe, have fun. Hopefully you get some nice weather, and I'll be putting out MMT Trader on Tuesday next week as opposed to my normal Monday, but you still can go to the website, pitbulleconomics.com, sign up for your 30-day free trial, and you can look over all the back issues, all right? Have something to read over the weekend. Have a great weekend, everybody. See you next week. Bye-bye.